Alright, hello everybody. Good to see you again. It's been a while. Been having some good luck with my truck that I have, my 09 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8. Haven't had to do much work on it, but I've come to a point where something's going on with it. Basically, the symptoms that's been happening on startup, it starts up pretty rough. You turn the key, it'll jump up pretty high RPM for maybe about 2 seconds. Then it jumps back down to normal. It did that. It's been doing that for a while, probably about 6 months. And then here recently, it started at stoplights, drive-throughs. Whenever the truck's idling in drive, it'll start shaking real bad. So I ran some codes on it, and it turns out sounds like it's the camshaft position sensor. So just went to O'Reilly's, picked one up, $27.19 total. So we'll get that put on, and hopefully that fixes our problem. Okay, and there's 2 camshaft position sensors on this truck. There's one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, okay? You find out which one it threw. This one here is saying bank 1, so I know that's going to be the passenger side. So there it is right there, bank 1. So we're going to go find out where it goes. Okay, and to remove the old one, we're going to unplug the plug right there. Then we're going to take a little 5/16 bolt out of that. We're going to pull it out, just throw this one in to replace it. So pretty simple. Let's find out where it goes. We got my little helper here, so she's gonna help me find out where it's at. You think you can help me? Yeah? Okay, come over here. All right. So I'm thinking it is right there where we see that wire coming out. That's plugged in straight to it. Do you agree? You agree? Okay, all right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unplug that little wire right there. It's not focusing. Let's see if I can zoom in. I'm trying to hold a flashlight too. There we go. Okay, so right there, that bad boy right there. We're gonna unplug that. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the bolt down right underneath this thing here. So we'll get to it. What do you think the problem is?
That is broken.
You think it's broken? Do you think it's broken about right there?
Yeah.
Where that plug's pulled off? Yeah. So it'll be right by the head of my flashlight. I pulled the plug off of there already. There's a little bitty bolt right next to it. We're going to pull that out of there, and that is your camshaft position sensor. So we'll get that done. Alright, does that look like the right part?
Yeah.
It does? Okay, so that's the old part. You can tell it's got oil and stuff on it, which is normal, perfectly normal. That's what it does. So we pulled that right out of there. Once you get that bolt off of there, it comes out perfectly. So now we're going to shove the new one in and put the bolt in and plug it back in. It should fix our problem. So we got that one all in. Like I said, plug the wire in, tighten the bolt down. You're good to go. There's the old one. The only tool you need is a 5/16 socket to undo your battery and to undo that bolt. It's just that one bolt. Put that in, put your battery back on, we're good to go. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good. Don't mind her mouth, she just had dinner. Alright, so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.